So what is Ideas for Landscaping? The creator, Helen Whitfield, offers a simple, efficient and user-friendly online gallery for landscape inspirations to design your dream landscaped garden. The product offers step-by-step blueprints and pictures of over 70 to 50 different landscaping designs. Inside this massive database, you'll find 1000s of landscaping pictures in 60-plus categories consisting of fountains, lakes and other water features, decks and patios, designs for back and front yards. Garden and flowers design, hardscapes, walkways and driveways, garages, gazebos and even pergolas, and many others. As a matter of fact, the list is almost endless. So is Ideas for Landscaping really worth the money? To answer this question and to find if this package really is for you, let's have a look at some of the pros and cons. The pros: suitability for different skill levels. Whether you are a beginner looking to get started, professional or just an old hand at landscaping, Ideas for Landscaping is the perfect product for all. It simplifies the process of landscape design by offering inspiration, tips, and detailed project guides to create the perfect outdoor living area. It is a great landscaping companion with enough information to help take everyone's landscaping experience to the next level, as everyone, no matter who they are, learns something new along the way. A huge range of designs to choose from. This is a complete landscaping resource with detailed drawings, color pictures and examples of many types of landscaping designs. I personally liked the amount of full color pictures and diagrams that are included, as a lot of people find it easier to follow pictures and diagram instead of reading paragraphs, myself included. No matter what the size of the project, it has everything you'll need to start creating the perfect outdoor living experience for you, family and friends to enjoy. With gardens, decks, paths, sheds, gazebos, hedges, driveways, waterfalls, ponds, pools, patios and walkways, there are multiple designs available for each types of landscape, so there is variety to choose from. Great bonuses included. There are some great bonuses that come along with this product. They include 120 different videos, which is great for beginners as they are an easy-to-follow guide on landscaping. There are also 2 great value books that come along with the package. They are How to Grow Your Own Organic Vegetable, also How to Make Your Home Energy and Cost Efficient. Both of these will come in very useful. Money-back policy. The 60-day money-back guarantee is always appreciated. I like seeing merchants who stands behind their product 100%. It puts the consumer at ease, knowing that they aren't going to lose a cent if they decide it's not for them or choose to not use the system. The cons. At first, I was a little disappointed when I realized I needed to connect to the internet every time to browse the galleries and access the project guides, as I would rather have a printed collection. However, on a little more exploration of the site, I found an option to download the photos as well as print things out, so that way I don't need to go online every time I needed to view the project I am working on at the time. How do I purchase this book? The whole process has been made relatively simple. You just visit the site www.ideas4Landscaping.com and click on the book. This automatically adds it to your cart, and at this point, you will be required to pay and receive the books. There are a wide array of ways you can make the payments. All the cards that are accepted are given on the site. How much does it cost? Landscaping in itself is an expensive affair. Let no one tell you otherwise. What Helen is trying to do is making it easy and painless for you. To purchase this book, you will need only $27. While you will not be asked to spend any additional fees, which happens with some sites which seem to be running a scam. Originally, the landscaping guide cost $97, but since most people wanted to buy, Helen decided to lower the prices to ensure anyone can get access to